Zeinorton.
Oh no! I lost my letter E! Can you help me find it? E for ear. E for eagle. E for egg. E for elephant. E for elevator. Yay! We found letter E. Can you say all 5 E words? Follow for letter F, adventure.